Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use iOS 18 to create focused workflow. So guys, the first thing is that you will have to install the latest update of iOS 18 on your iOS device, and after installation you will just see that this shortcut icon, and from here you can just tap to automation. So automation, it's work for you automatically when you set the all schedules. So you will just tap on the top right corner of plus icon, and here is the personal automation, so an automation that runs on your iPhone. So if you want to just set the time and day, so you can just select it from here, and in the sunset or sunrise or daily or repeat. So after confirmation, so just you can just set it with your workflow. And if you want to arrive your gym time, so here you can just set the time range and the location, and it will be notify you for your workflow. So if you want to leave it to your home and work, so you can just set it from here, choose the location, anytime, time range. After confirmation, just tap on next and it will be choose. So there are many options about your workflow. So here is, you will say when turning work on, so just tap on right now when turning on. So when you turning on this workflow next, and here you will see when turning work on. So you can just close your camera, your social media applications, you can just close it. You can also close your calls. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.